There's a saying that I have for my own self, which is that we need earth to stand on and food to move. If we don't have food, we don't move anymore, we don't live anymore. So these people who are leaving their lands and being displaced to the places where they are perhaps in camps, and perhaps they're relocating, and some people are voluntarily leaving their land before conflict erupts, before the army kicks them out or takes them out, or before warriors attack them. Some people are voluntarily in search of new opportunities because their economies are eroding. Some are seeing things ahead of time, some are being hit right now. And some are leaving lands where desertification is increasing, where glaciers are just disappearing or melting or bursting. Some are in coastal areas where waters are rising. So these are people, if you go to the border areas of the world, anywhere, if you go to the margins of your own country, go to the seas, go to the rivers, and go to the mountains, you will see that there is no food anymore. Resources are being just destroyed. Fisheries are just dying, fish hatcheries, mangrove plants, mangrove trees, which were the habitats of prawns and fish. They're dying. If they die, fish die, fish stock dies, you don't have any more supply of food anymore. And so fishermen have to go deeper into the ocean to fish more and more and more and more. And if they go to the deeper places are places of sanctuary for the fish, because they expect not to be fished there. And then they die, and they're just eating more and more food, and there is not enough restocking of it in the world. Fish are not getting time enough to give birth to enough babies, which we can eat again. So this is happening on the one side, and then we're doing deforestation. We're killing trees at a rate faster than that which we're planting them at. And then we're also destroying our water resources. Glaciers are being polluted. There's black industrial soot which is settling on glaciers, which is making them melt faster. If they melt faster, there's going to be flood downstreams, and it is going to destroy the economy downstreams. And sometimes the glaciers are receding. If they recede, this means there's not going to be enough water downstream, which means that at the end of the country, towards the seashore side, in any country, for example, in a country like Pakistan, where we have on the northmost side we have mountains, and on the southmost side we have a sea. So literally water comes down from the mountain to the sea, and if there's too much water, there's flood in the middle area. And if the glacier starts receding, there's no water, not enough water, so there are droughts and there are dryness and there's desertification, and food decreases, food production decreases.